Hey guys, so this is the boat smart ring that I purchased from Amazon for about 8,000 rupees. Now you could say this is first of its kind in the Indian market from a recognizable brand. So in this video I'll give you my honest first impressions and opinion, and also I'll try and compare the accuracy with other smartwatches and also the oximeter for SpO2 and the temperature for the thermal gun and stuff in the upcoming videos. So definitely stay subscribed. So let's get down with the unboxing. So in the box you are getting the user manual, which is very important for this kind of newly launched product, and also some other stuff like warranty and stuff. And this is the boat smart ring, so we'll take a closer look later. In the box we also get the charger, and that's pretty much it. And let me tell you right away that the charging is not a hassle. Just align the sensor and the connector and just put it in and it just slips in right away. And yeah, so definitely not an issue here. One thing I want to point out here, when I tried to install Boatring app and signed up, you can see here I got this verification email that has some Chinese text. Now Boat calls itself Indian brand, so this kind of irritated me. This could be a rebrand or something. Let's leave it at that for now. So the first time to pair your smart ring, you need to put this on the charger, and let's click on the add button over here. You need to grant all the permissions. I skipped that part, and finally yes, you can see it is paired. So looking at the smart ring itself, so this has the sensors inside the ring as you can see, and that's pretty much it. This does sleep tracking, SpO2, heart rate and other stuff. So yes, it is actually very glossy, you can probably see here. And also I feel this is a little bulky, I would say. This is the 9 number that I've got, which suited me comfortably. So this is kind of a fashion accessory, you could say, and it does indeed gets noticed easily. So this thing has this touch area using which you can control some functions. So here is that part as you can see. So these are all the touch functions that it can support. You can just pause the video and check it out. Let's do this practically. So these are all the applications that this smart ring supports to control, and you can only select one application at a time. So let me just check it with the music. So here you can see when I press and hold, it does play, pause, and it works really well. And when you swipe, you can see it changes the track, and also it goes to the previous track. You don't even need to use another hand. So it works pretty well, at least for now. I don't have any complaints in terms of the touch sensors and stuff. So now let's try the camera function control. So here you can see when I press and hold, this does take a picture. So let's try that. So you can see here it works really well, no issues here. So let's look at the health tracking here. Let's start with the heart rate. The only problem is that you have to use the app every time if you want to measure anything. You cannot do this on the smart band, I mean the smart ring itself, as it does not have any display, and it does take a little while to get this. And yes, these are the readings. Let's try the SpO2. So again, it does take a little while, and yes, it is coming up with the result. And finally, let's try this with the temperature sensor. Yes, it does support that. Like I said, I will try and compare these readings with other devices in the upcoming videos, so definitely stay tuned. This is just for showing how this works for now. So it's been just a couple hours since I started using it. There's a lot more to cover and explore, like battery life and the sensors accuracy and workouts and other stuff, and some cons that I'm already getting to see a couple. So let's try and discuss all of them in the full review. So definitely stay subscribed, like this video guys. That's been it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.